welcome back to yet another Global Desi Sound of Style session. This is me, Arpita Singh, aka The Art Broken. You might want to check out the channel if you want to. And today we'll be exploring some of the outfits from Global Desi's stunning Raksha Bandhan collection. And I'm sure we've got something for everyone out here. And this session is especially dedicated to all the confused brothers, all the confused mothers, sisters, whatever, whoever you want to gift this Raksha Bandhan season. And before we begin, of course, safety comes first, and we've got these really quirky Global Desi masks right here. And yes, I'm just gonna wear it. Fits in snugly, I think, comfy, quirky. I think there's like a good plus one out here. And without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So what we've got here first is a stunning sage green Chanderi Kota set. I absolutely love the golden placement print, the delicate embroidery, and oh my god, they've got tassels as well. You can loosen and tighten everything as per your convenience, and I think that's a really good, amazing point about this outfit. And of course, if you want to accessorize, do it as per your choice. What I have done right here is paired it up with sage green beaded earrings, and I think they look absolutely stunning with the whole outfit. So next, what we've got here is a really nice, easy breezy lehenga set. I think what I really love about this outfit is the fact that it is made up of Chanderi fabric. It's off-white, and the print is so good. I think it goes really well with the whole summer vibe of Raksha Bandhan, the whole summer festive vibe. And I think it's for people who really don't want to go all out with like loud colors and go a little subtle. So I think this is like a really nice, subtle, elegant choice. And of course, without not being festive. Don't miss out on the masks. They're very quirky, they're very nice, very comfy. Next up, of course, like if you're bored with your usual kota sets, your usual kotas, and if you want to go ahead with something which is quirky, which is young, and if you want to move around a lot, and I think jumpsuits are a great option for that. And without missing out on that fact, I am wearing a Global Desi jumpsuit as well, and it has pockets. Like, oh my god, what else can I really ask for in a jumpsuit? And it's festive as well. So here we've got a nice aqua jumpsuit. It has a nice delicate tassel detailing, nice embroidery, and I think it's really easy breezy. So you can move around, you can chill with your friends, you can chill with your girls, you can chill with your family, and really have a nice celebration. So yes, we've got kotas, we've got two-piece sets, we've got jumpsuits. Let's see what else do we have in here. Okay, so this has got to be my absolute favorite color, blush pink. And the Global Desi people actually told me that it's made of rayon linen fabric, and it's sustainable. I think if you're eco-conscious and if you want to do your bit for the planet and look stunning, I think this is your best bet. It has got really nice floral print going all over, and a really nice tassel detailing, and I paired it up with really cool beaded golden jhumkis, and I think it goes really well with the whole outfit. And of course, the beauty of these jumpsuits is that you can wear them anywhere you want and anytime you want. You can wear them to a brunch, you can wear them to any home gathering that you might have in future as well. And yeah, I think that's a big plus one for me as well. Secondly, I think again, not for the color lovers out there, I think this came in pretty good as a set. Like, of course, this is like not a set, but I paired it up together because I think it looks stunning. It's off-white in color. It's a mix of pink, It has a really nice floral placement and a nice tie-up in the front as well. I think it goes really well as a set, and in future, if you want to actually pair the top up with like a pair of jeans, or if you want to pair the sharara up with like a pair of, you know, like a casual crop top, I think it's like a really good buy, because it saves you like the trouble of finding too many like things to pair up with. And yeah, I think that's the beauty of this outfit. Thirdly, yes, we're all done with the two-piece sets, kurta sets. And why, Arpita, why are you not talking about the Global Desi dresses? Aren't they like world famous? Yes, of course they are. And it was really hard for me to like pick out like one dress out of like hundreds of stunning dresses out here at the Card Global Desi linking store. So I picked out this one again. Like, I'm guilty of choosing like the blush pink color again. It has nice frills in the bottom. It has a nice keyhole detailing. It has got again tassels, the iconic Global Desi tassels. And I think if you want to move around, if you want to just have like fun, and if you want to like ease it out a bit, I think maxi dresses or just Global Desi dresses, I think they are the best bet for all of that. So I think these were like my favorites from the entire women's wear collection, and it was really hard for me to like pick out just one out of the entire collection. But I'm sure once you land up at any of our stores or online, you'll see that there's so much that Global Desi has to offer. And without wasting any more time, I would also like to tell you that we've got all your little girls covered as well. Yes, there's a Global Desi girl collection. And yes, you just move right here. Aren't they so cute? So, even though like I'd like to mention that I love everything about this Global Desi girl collection, they've come up with a festive collection as well. So they've kept in mind everything from the comfort of a little kid to the fact that they're very conscious about the details that they have. So everything from comfort to the looks of the outfit, everything has been taken care of really well. So my personal favorite are these two little ones here. So we're going to start with this right here. It's a set, it's a dhoti pant set. And as you can see, it's so quirky, it's so fun. There are like these little cute dhoti pants right here with like a nice cute peplum top. I think it's absolutely pretty. It obviously provides enough leg room for your little girl to play around, to hop, jump, and without worrying about the fact that, you know, things might fall all over the place. So I think this one has got to be my absolute favorite. Secondly, this dress right here, I think the fabric is really soft. It's made out of mull, and it has got this really nice quirky handkerchief hem. And if you can see, there are these little gota detailings right here. So comfort plus the festive elements in this outfit make it the perfect choice for your little girl this Raksha Bandhan season. So I think from girls from every age group, I think Raksha Bandhan, the Global Desi Raksha Bandhan edit is like the perfect choice to go for. And yeah, I think that's pretty much about it for today. And yeah, I think these were my absolute favorites. And this is me, Arpita Singh. I'd also like to tell you that what I'm wearing is Global Desi as well. And if you're still hanging it around here, I'd say like a big thank you. And as a token of that thank you, I'd like to mention that there is, if you shop the whole look from this Raksha Bandhan edit, be it the girls edit or be it the women's wear edit, you'll get an additional 10% off. How exciting is that? Yes, that's what you get for sticking around for so long. But this is me, Arpita Singh. I'm going to sign off for today's session. I hope you liked it. I tried to keep it as short as possible. And I'll see you next time, hopefully. I mean, hope is all we've got.